Platform Tutorial. This brief tutorial will guide you through the functionalities of the SOS Virtual Platform. We recommend you watch this video before you start your training. First, please make sure the language of the platform is set to English. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. On the right side, change the default language to English. Now let's start the course. Before you start your training, make sure you read all the content in the Welcome section. When you are ready to start with the first lesson, go to the menu on the left sidebar and click on Lessons. Click on the box for Module 1. First, you need to read the internal regulation document. Then, in order to look through the lessons, you will be able to navigate each one by scrolling down with the mouse or with the slider bar from the top to the bottom of the page. To move to the next section in the same lesson, you can click on the button at the bottom of each page or through the menu for the lesson. Make sure to follow the order of lessons and activities. If you do not follow the order presented, you may not be able to move forward in the course. In order to follow the proper order, we strongly recommend you to access them from the menu on the left side bar. There you will be able to see the lessons and activities you have already completed and those you still need to complete. To solve the quizzes and activities. To solve the quizzes and activities to its appropriate spot, click on the next button to go to the following question. Once you have finished answering all the questions, click here to submit your test. Make sure you have checked all your answers before doing so. To see your scores, click on the Assignment section of the menu on the left sidebar. Finally, explore the tools. Click here to check out your messages and notifications. We recommend you do it on a regular basis during the course. Click here to change your profile information. In case you need further assistance, please contact the SOS Virtual team through this email.